We are talking about wine today and how to pronounce German wine names. It's all about understanding German wines by drinking. Hi wine friends, welcome. I'm Rita and I'm a linguist and a passionate wine lover, and I'm also the founder of Pure Rita's Wine. Today we are looking at the German wine term Auslese and how to pronounce it correctly. But before we start, it's probably best to deal with the most common myth surrounding German wine. Here is the common one. German language is so difficult to pronounce. Seriously? If you can say Cabernet Sauvignon or Brunello de Montalcino, you can say anything in German too, believe me. The German language is pretty easy to pronounce. It takes a little bit of practice, so grab a glass of wine, perhaps a German wine, take a deep breath or a good sip, it's going to be okay. And let's start with our quick German wine pronunciation exercise. How to say Auslese. Put on your headphones now, relax and just listen. Auslese. 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 Well done! If you want to know more about Auslese, watch my video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Which German wine term do you find hard to pronounce? Please let me know in a comment below. Wine lovers, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up and don't forget to click on the red button to subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to drink something tasty tonight, German wine maybe. Prost!